Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U MLA Barim ke TMC na Salman para constituency u Winnerson di Sangma u Badeiru unong yalam u Bajan Bha bat u Dr. Mukul Sangma hanegasngi ula Pynïasoh no yalade bat ka Seng BJP ya uni unong yalam ke TMC la pediang sngo Bha da u Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya u Rikman Momin u Minister ke Sorkar Jala u ba El Hek u ba Sanbor Shulai bat kiwe habakran hanegasngi na kalyang Winnerson di Sangma ulayaro ke BJP bat yakikam kiba kila train nak benta ka jela. Ula ongru bahadian ba uri keman momen ula shimti kum u presiden kipat ba na Garo Hills kila pedang yang kini ka Seng. Bat kumbalong menta kindang don kinong yalam kiban Pynïasoh bat ka Seng BJP hakini kisngi kiban wan.
Modi Parivar. You must take this your registration membership form. Well, how bureaucrat! How bureaucrat! How bureaucrat!
My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in a vital platform. I have been in politics since 2013. In the active politics, I represented 55 Samanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23. But I could not make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I'm very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this sole function. I always will carry forward my commitment and dedication to render service to the people of my constituency and the people of the state, so that I can also contribute for the growth of the nation through this party. The leaders in the TMC, especially to the national president Mamata Ji and Abhishek Ji, and in the state who have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr. Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Mukul Sangma and others. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days. Sorry, I cannot put.
Are you hinting that Dr. Mukul Sangma will be following suit, like following you along?
How many more from the AITC will be joining the BJP to put it?
That you will see the growth of numbers in coming few days.
No, particularly Mukul Sangma, the question.
That's his decision. I cannot express to you. That is up to him.
But you are the right-hand man, so you may be knowing.
It is his decision which will carry him forward to render service to the people.
BJP. So it is a very clear indications Winners have joined, there is very clear indication that the BJP is to be winning in the Lok Sabha seat in 2024. So as I said, that only not he himself, the other former MLA or the sitting MLA also, very soon they are joining to the BJP. So we are waiting for the time. And as I said by Winnerson, in a few days, they are also joining.
You mean to say the sitting MLAs of the AITC, Barim?
Just wait and watch.
How many sitting MLAs will be joining?
I said just wait and watch, no. So how many will come? Just wait and watch.
So would you say this is a teaser for the public?
Pardon?
This is a teaser for the public who are joining the BJP. This is a kind of a teaser or a trailer.
Not they are joining with the party from their hearts only, not only trailer. It's a full picture joining.
Can I say?
Yes, please.
Yeah. No, it's like this. You see, we will not like to mention anything that has not yet happened. Okay. So we are just telling you that there are more to join, but we cannot mention the names now because we don't want to say things which have not happened. Let it happen at that point of time, we'll let you know. In fact, earlier when it came out in the papers also, none of us spoke about who is going to join. So let them join first, then we'll get to know.
No, but what is the status now?
No, second round of meeting they will be having
Second round of meeting by whom?
by central committee.
So the list is with the
This
central.
is already sent.
How many names?
That I will not reveal right now.
No, I mean, you have sent only one name?
No. Whoever applied, we have already sent.
How many applied?
That we will see later on. I'm not going to prepare anything.
Wait and watch, I said.
Yeah, wait and watch.
Names which you have sent, you can disclose.
Not right now.
Because decision center.
No, not right now. Let the Central Parliamentary Board announce it.
So it will be coming in the second list.
Yeah,
Second list, next list.
that I cannot say. No? Because first list also we don't know when it come out.
No, first list is out.
No, it's already out.
In my after I joined this party, I would like to express to you all that under the leadership, as the president of the BJP party, under the leadership of this Rikman Moman in Garo Hills, the acceptance of BJP is growing.
Yeah, very good. It's true.
There are people who have expressed their faith and confidence with the party and they're ready to join. Many are ready to join in the party along behind me. So I'm very confident that you will very soon in the ensuing general election to Lok Sabha, you will find that many people are enthusiastic to work for the party to uplift the status of the party, and I believe with people's participation and cooperation, we will be able to expand the popularity of the party in the western sector of the state.
Yes.